This tutorial will show you how to change the hierarchy and structure of existing pages, create and organize new pages, and change the look and feel of your Google Sites ePortfolio. The ePortfolio template is designed with assignment sequences that are most common for CWR courses. However, you may have to make some adjustments to the template based on what your instructor asks you to do for your particular section. To edit the title of a page, just go into editing mode and change the heading. For example, if I decided to enroll in LIBA 102 instead of RIT 102 for my second semester, I would change the heading of the Writing 102 page to LIBA 102. You would change the titles of individual sequence assignment pages the same way. If you want to delete a page, open the page, click the More menu, and then Delete Page. Deleting a page also deletes all of the subpages underneath that page. So, if you exempted Writing 101, you could just delete the Writing 101 page to also delete everything underneath it. If you want to add a page, open the page you want to appear underneath. For example, if I want to add a subpage underneath Analysis, I would open that page. Then click the New Page button. Name your new page, and under Select a Location, make sure you pick Put Page under Analysis. If you decide you want to put it somewhere else, click Choose a different location. The new page is added as a subpage under Analysis. You can see it under Analysis on the left-hand navigation menu. If you want to move a page to another location on your portfolio, click More and Move Page. Then, select the page you want the page to appear underneath. If you want to modify the structure of your portfolio, click the More menu and then select Edit Site Layout. The toolbar at the top allows you to turn on or off different structural features. For example, if I click Header, I can disable the site header. I can also turn on or off the sidebar, the footer, the navigation, or change the site width. You will probably want to leave these settings alone. You can also click on different structural elements of the site to modify them. For example, to change the header from the default logo, click the area where the header is. Here you can turn on or off the logo, change the logo, or change the alignment of your header. You can also click the horizontal navigation bar to add or remove links to other websites or pages within the portfolio. You can click the navigation menu to change how it appears or how it's organized. You'll probably want to leave this alone unless you want to customize your navigation. By default, automatically organized navigation menus are alphabetical. You can click the Edit button next to Sidebar to change the width or alignment of the sidebar, and you can click the Add button to add different widgets to the sidebar. You could add a countdown timer, an image, or a list of site activity, like we have at the bottom of the template sidebar. Finally, to change the appearance of your portfolio, click the More menu and then select Manage Site. From the left menu, select Themes, Colors, and Fonts. Here you can modify all of the styles of your Google site. If you want to change the base theme, just click the drop-down menu here and select the theme that you want. You will see a preview of the new theme in the window below. You can also modify individual elements of the style. For example, to add a background color, click Entire Page, then Background, and then the drop-down menu next to Color. You can also change any of the fonts used on your site, the default colors, or any other style element affecting the entire portfolio. The other options from the Manage Site page are more specialized. However, we encourage you to explore them and learn more about the functions of your Google site. Remember, anything that you mess up in Google Sites can be undone, either by going to Recent Site Activity and reverting a page to a previous version, or going to Deleted Items and undeleting something.